Alright, guys. Everybody's always wondering why Teddy stay awake for 3 and 4 days at a time. Come sunrise, you know a man can't sleep. Come nightfall, man gotta deal with this. Come check this out. Alright, as you know, when you're done watching TV for the night, you turn it off. And then you hear this. How the fuck am I supposed to sleep through this shit?